Today, we're talking about how to market a rug cleaning business. I'll begin with the basics and conclude with the precision marketing strategy you can easily deploy to boost your revenue. Hi, I'm Gary Horton with Fine Life Marketing. Let's get started. It's not enough to be good at rug cleaning and running your business. You must also make a good impression each time you meet a potential customer. Every effort you make to get a new customer will at some point lead to a phone conversation or to a face-to-face meeting. If you fumble the moment and make a poor first impression, your efforts are wasted. On the other hand, if you make a good first impression, you'll probably get a new customer who will then tell others about your business. In time, you may have an army of customers spreading the word about your rug cleaning service. Making a good impression is easy and well worth the effort. A potential customer wants to know if they can trust you to properly clean their rug and if you can get the job done on time and at a reasonable price. Be the pro they can trust. Dress neatly and focus your attention on them. Ask questions and listen carefully. By focusing your attention on them, you show you care. Use phrases like, "Yes, I understand," and "I'll see what we can do." As much as possible, keep the conversation positive and upbeat. Be honest. Honest, transparent communication demonstrates you can be trusted. The objective is to turn prospects into customers and then turn customers into fans who will brag about your rug cleaning service to their friends. If you don't already have one, get a website. A single-page website is probably enough if you're a small business. Include a picture of yourself and your service truck. Also, add a paragraph about who you are. Put your business phone number near the top right corner where people can immediately see it. If you have them, add your best reviews to your website too. If you don't have the budget for a website, get a free Google site. You'll find a link to the Google Sites Builder below this video. And get a domain name that relates to your business and that people can easily remember. Something like yourbusinessname.com. And remember to get a Google Business Profile. A Google Business Profile makes your business much easier for people to find online. A Google Business Profile puts your business in the map area of Google search results. This is where people can leave reviews of your rug cleaning business. Below this video is a link to set up a Google Business Profile. Once your Google Business Profile is set up, ask your customers to write a short review of your rug cleaning business. A few sentences will do. The more reviews you have of your business, the more established your business appears to be. If you find it difficult to get reviews from your customers, try surprising them with a discount on the final bill. For example, if your rug cleaning estimate was $600, discount the final bill by $20. Then when you give the customer the bill, show them you discounted the final amount. They'll probably be pleasantly surprised. That's the time to ask if they would leave a review on your Google Business Profile. Most customers will. Reply to reviews too, even the bad ones. Responding to a good review can be as easy as writing, "Thanks for your review. It was a pleasure to clean your rug." If you get a bad review, accept it gracefully. Don't take it personally and don't react with emotion. People leave bad reviews for all sorts of reasons, some of them unrelated to your service. They even goof up and leave reviews on the wrong business profile. However, if a bad review does describe a specific shortcoming with your service, use the information to improve your business. When a bad review is not specific, the reviewer is just venting frustration unrelated to your service. This will be apparent to the people who read that review too. Reply to bad reviews like this: "I'll contact you immediately to see what can be done to make things right." Replying to reviews shows potential customers that you are attentive to your customers, even the grumpy ones. It's important to answer the phone. When someone calls your business, they want to speak to a real person, someone who will listen to them and offer to solve their dirty rug problem. If they get voicemail when they call, they'll hang up and call your competition. Even if they leave a message for you, they'll still probably call your competition. If you or an employee can't answer the phone, hire an answering service. Answering services are affordable and many offer a free trial. About advertising your rug cleaning business. Most advertising options are like the billboards you drive past and ignore. I call that kind of advertising hope and pray marketing because all you can do is hope and pray someone sees your ad at the same time they need their rugs cleaned. Google ads are different. With Google ads, people search for your business precisely when they need their rugs cleaned. It's scientific and ROI is easily tracked. Google ads are precision marketing. When properly managed, Google ads are the most powerful advertising you can use for a rug cleaning business, and probably the only advertising you'll ever need. Right now, the cost of Google ads for rug cleaning services is very affordable. But hire a pro. A professional Google Ads management service makes marketing your rug cleaning business easy. A pro has the training, tools, industry connections, and experience to quickly get customers calling your business. At Fine Life Marketing, we specialize in Google Ads and precision marketing for service businesses like your rug cleaning service. It's our business to make your business more successful, to help you earn more in less time and with less stress. To discover more about how we can help your rug cleaning business with Google Ads, sign up for a free 30-minute consultation. Our contact information is in the description below this video. Thanks so much for your time. Take care.